Hey everyone, it's Mr. Lentz coming to you again through the power of the internet. Today I wanted to show you how to combine several PDF documents into one, especially considering that exhibits and papers have to submit their NHD products that way this year for the regional, state, and national competitions. So, just as a reminder, the first thing is I've got my exhibit up here, okay, and I want to download this as a PDF. So I'm going to go over here to File. I'm going to download. I'm going to select PDF, and once I do that, a pop-up is going to show up down here, showing that it's downloading as a PDF. And you want to follow that same process of File, Download, PDF for your process paper as well. And finally, your annotated bibliography, because those are the three elements that make up your NHD product. Now that we have these documents in a PDF format, I need to combine them in the correct order. And NHD is asking you to follow this order. The first thing we need is our title page, which is the first part of the process paper. So the title page followed by the process paper, followed by the annotated bibliography, and then finally the product itself. In this case, it would be the exhibit. In the essay case, it would be the historical essay. So what I'm going to do to combine them is I'm just going to use this website, ilovepdf.com. So that's ilovepdf.com. ilovepdf.com. And when you go here, you don't have to sign up or anything. The first option you're going to see in the top left-hand corner is Merge PDF. So you want to select that. And it's going to ask you to select the PDF files that you want to combine. If you're on your Chromebook, you might have to select this button and then choose the files. However, I'm on my PC and I'm just going to drag the files that I want and place them there. Okay, so now I've got all three PDFs that I want to be put into one. Now I just need to make sure that they're in the correct order. So the first thing I should have is my process paper, and that includes the title page. So I'm going to leave that there. But my exhibit needs to be the last thing. So annotated bib should be second. Exhibit is the final. Now I've got these in the correct order. So now I'm going to select to merge these PDF documents. And it's finished merging. So now I can download my final PDF. And if I open up the file, I can see that it's merged correctly because there's my process paper, followed by my annotated bibliography, followed by my exhibit, my product. So that's perfect. So that is how you combine your PDF documents. Watch my next video to learn how to actually submit your NHD product to the competition's registration website. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.